Greetings, herb enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the wonderful world of Costmary, an enchanting herb that brings a touch of history and fragrance to your garden. But before we dive into this botanical allure of Costmary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of herbs. Costmary is a herbaceous perennial plant renowned for its aromatic leaves, reminiscent of a mix between mint and balsam. Also called elcos, it has historically been used for culinary and medicinal purposes, as well as for its insect-repelling properties. Interestingly, Costmary has a rich history as a popular herb in medieval gardens and was often referred to as Bible leaf because it was used to mark pages in religious texts. Native to Europe and Western Asia, Costmary has naturalized in various regions, showcasing its adaptability and hardiness. It's valued not only for its practical uses but also for its charming yellow flowers and pleasant fragrance, making it a versatile and historically significant herb in the botanical world. To successfully cultivate Costmary, it's essential to provide the right growing conditions. This herb thrives in well-drained soil with partial shade to full sunlight. It is relatively low maintenance, requiring moderate watering and good air circulation. Maintaining a consistent moisture level and harvesting the leaves for various uses are crucial for its well-being. Costmary adapts well to herb gardens, borders, and containers, bringing a touch of history and fragrance to your outdoor oasis. If you found this exploration as enchanting as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of herbs on our channel. Thank you for joining us on this herbal journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Until next time, may your herb garden thrive and may your encounters with Costmary bring a touch of history and natural fragrance to your gardening adventures. Farewell and happy herb gardening.